back to the channel, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Hit that thumbs up. In this video, I'm going to show you, we explained it before, how I like to use the under wrap. I mean, it just gives it more stability. It grips better, the guide foot rather. It just grips better. It gives you something to wick onto, and when you're squeezing the wrap around the guide foot, it could slide a little bit, and there's no guarantee. The epoxy can get underneath there a little bit in that little tunnel that's underneath there, but you're not going to get that epoxy across the whole bottom of the foot. It's impossible. With an under wrap, when you're wrapping it, it squeezes those threads into those threads, and then the epoxy will wick into those threads too. A guide foot on an under wrap is never gonna loosen up. It's never gonna come undone. It's way better. So I'm just gonna do this quick little video to show you how we do it here. And I measure, when I make my guide wrap, I set the foot on there, and then I want my wrap to stop where the guide ring is. So then I measure, okay, let's say I want 5 millimeters of wrap in front of my foot, and there's 5 millimeters over here after the guide ring. So I would make that front part 10 millimeters, so that I have the exact same distance in the front and the back. It all depends on how much thread you want in front of your guide foot. I don't recommend, too little of amount, because the more you got there, the more stable it is. So I'll just let you watch this for a second, and I might chime in again. show you a few. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, man, I really appreciate you. We're close to the 4,000 mark. Thanks again, everybody. Talk to you soon.